Let's make a nourishing dish perfect for breakfast. Walnuts and cinnamon are optional. Feel free to skip them if you prefer. Start by chopping the walnuts. Remove the pits from the dates. Let the butter melt in the pan. Add the dates and lightly sauté them on both sides. Add most of the walnuts and keep the rest for the cover. Be careful not to overcook. Walnuts can turn bitter and the dates may burn. Crack the eggs into the pan. Add salt and cinnamon. Add the rest of the walnuts. Cook the eggs to your preference, soft or fully set. نوش جان.